Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, me and my mom, we're gonna be making pupusas. Well, she's gonna be like teaching me how to make them. So if you want to see how I end up making my pupusas, just keep on watching. Roll the clip. So right now we're doing the masa, what she is, and the type of masa that she's using is maseca. You can literally like go get it at any grocery store. Oil.
Yeah.
A ver la cita. It's literally this one. La consistencia. So she's gonna keep mixing that until like it's good to go. So she's just putting in work. She's gonna have muscles by the end of this. We're gonna be making its beans with cheese, and then you also need like a plancha. I don't know how to say this in English, but you're looking at it. So yesterday she had made the beans, and so today, since they were all ready, she mixed them with the cheese. The type of beans we're using, they're like red beans, and that's literally like what we use every time we make pupusas. We use red beans, and yeah, can you use other type of beans? And you can use any type of beans, not just like red beans, because I mean, I guess my mom's just used to like using red beans. So I just wash my hands. All right, so what's the first step? Is this enough?
Sí. Agarras una bolita de masa.
Oh, mine's too big.
Ok, luego la compartes un poquito y ya le haces como un hoyo al medio para que en el hoyo así le puedan poner lo que sería la comida.
Okay. So
Acá le cierras y le vas quitando el exceso de la masa para que te quede así. Acá humedeces un poquito las manos, tienes una bola con agua. Y ya, ¿cómo me estás mirando desde allá? Porque no.
okay, wait. So I am like, oh mom, I'm lost.
You, are you dumb?
Okay, so I already did my bola.
Mira.
Oh my god, I don't know how.
Como el hoyito,
Bruh.
ya que tienes allá así,
Okay.
ahí va la comida, pones el relleno, en este caso frijoles con queso.
Is that fine?
Yeah, kind of. Y le
Okay.
quitas el exceso de la masa. Sí.
Is that fine? Or I need more?
Put some more! Don't be shy, put some more!
Okay, so I close it?
Sí. Y humedeces un poquito las manos para que después las puedas palmear.
Okay. And so after that, what do I do?
¿Las cierras? ¿Ya las cerraste?
Sí.
Hay que quitarle el exceso de la masa. ¿Se lo quitaste? No, ¿verdad?
No, how do I do that?
A ver, así, mira. Porque seguro tienes mucha más. Ay. ¿Están listas para palmear? Ponte un poquito de aceite en la mano.
Okay. One I just made compared to the other ones. I don't know how this one's gonna come out, but hopefully it comes out good. Like this one's already ready, so we're probably gonna take all of these out actually. Oh my god, look at mine, it's so pretty. So right now I'm like trying to do what my mom is doing right now. Okay, so I thought she was something like this.
Mami, échame un plato de dónde? ¿De dónde? ¿Qué crees que está bien lo que te echaste? ¿Con aluminio para que se dure o así? Sí, con aluminio. Ahí en la gaveta de
Bruh, I cannot do it. wait, I can't. I think I need more masa.
Tienes que meterte la mano un poquito.
Bruh, I can't.
Like, I can't.
Tienes que humedecerte la mano. Tienes que humedecerte la mano un poquito y ya luego le haces esto así.
Es que tú. Okay. I think I got it.
Aquí.
That's what I keep saying.
Así ya tienes todo el relleno adentro. Te pones poquita agua. Ya está lista para cocinar.
Ya se le di vuelta, ¿no? No está todavía.
Okay, so after that, I put the. It's ready, right? Okay. I think it's good like that. Oh, I'm gonna stop doing it. Okay, so after that, ya le pongo. Should I put more or like that's fine?
Está bien porque si no, no vas a poder cerrar.
Déjalo para eso.
Sí.
A lo mejor.
So she wore something like this when she was like
Lo
shorter.
llena. Lo llena.
Oh no.
Metito la de está saliendo todo.
Un frijol.
And now we're gonna put this one here.
Ya lo puedes hacer esta.
Okay. Okay.
Llega toda. Si vuela. De puro queso.
This one is mine, and then this one is mine. This one came out actually better. That one's turned out good. I guess I am done making them. My mom's still gonna be making them, but you know, I just wanted to give it a try because I've never done it, and I just wanted to see how it is. It looks easy, but it's not easy as it looks. So yeah. So like for the rest of the video, I'll just be showing my mom making them, and yeah. So like y'all see that part right there? I could not do that. It looks so good. So you're making cheese. Okay, so this was just cheese.
¿De queso no te gusta? Está caliente.
And I'm about to try them out. Okay. It's so good. Alright guys, so that was it for today's video. It's probably just gonna be short and most likely gonna be showing my mom more making them because I literally just made like 2 of them because she was already like kicking me out the kitchen. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, see you on my next video. Bye guys.